This tutorial will guide you on how to use TechRev's new DocVoice system. In this video, we will go through how you can make your health part of your day. DocVoice offers you an easy, no-hassle way to share daily health readings with your doctor. DocVoice's kit comes with a tablet, weight scale, oximeter, blood pressure monitor, and glucometer. These are all connected via Bluetooth and will automatically transfer their readings to your tablet. Let's go through this process step by step. Turn your tablet on by pressing the Home button. Once your tablet is on, click on Sign In and enter your credentials. After signing in, this homepage with 4 quadrants, one for each health measure, is displayed. Each health measure awaits your next reading. It will be populated with data from weight scale, oximeter, blood pressure monitor, and glucometer. Let's start with taking our blood pressure. First, take off any watches or bracelets and roll up your sleeve. Then, wrap the band around your upper arm tightly. Rest for 1 minute, just in case your heart rate has increased. Press this button on the screen, and the band will inflate to take your blood pressure. Once completed, the band will deflate and the results will show up on the tablet like so. Next, let's use the oximeter. Press the oximeter like so in order to place your finger inside comfortably. This prompt will pop up on the screen, and after 15 to 20 seconds, your results will show on the screen. It needs this time for the data to go from the sensors to the tablet. Last, we'll take our weight on the scale. Make sure that the scale is flat on the ground. Try to take this measurement around the same time every day. Make sure the scale shows 0 before stepping on the scale. Step on it slowly and look forward. Within a few seconds, the tablet should have your measurements shown on the screen. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Should you need any more information, please visit techrevhealth.com.